Swiss-based manufacturing. I'm Sonia. Today, I'd like to introduce the highest configurations of HS93G. With Swiss-based introduced the Fanuc System, and all of our Swiss-based can install the Fanuc System. Also equipped with 5-stage side milling, angle milling, automatic fire extinguisher, fire valve, temperature detection, flame detection, fire prevention nozzle, chip cleaner, and automatic feed collector. Many customers will worry about safety when processing product. Rest assured, all of our models can be equipped with automatic fire extinguisher for your safety production's escort. No matter how complex parts can process at one time, welcome to Consult.